clean upholstery with baking soda. Did you know that regular oil baking soda can help to remove odors from a cost or upholstery chair? Just sprinkle a generous amount onto the fabric. Wait about 20 minutes and then vacuum it up. The baking soda helps to soak up odors and even break up some stains in the fabric. 56. Use coins for toilet seams. Did you did you know that coins can be used to seam a toilet? Just slip coins under a toilet to label it, then add cow it along the floor to hide the coin seams. 57. Air filter. It is installed for homeowners to contact an HBSE teach when they notice irregularities in their cooling or heating system. Those irregularities could be a direct result of a dairy or cloth air filter. We encourage homeowners to check their filter and replace if necessary. It is also beneficial it is also beneficial for homeowners with pets, carpet, or for homes near fields or construction venues to have multi-type filters for environment replacement. 58. Cow lick it. It is fun. It is easy. It is cow licking. Deaf or mold carping and does not their clear clock in your tub. Cut it out and recloud cap in old mounting got you down. Add oil called for a smooth finish club and easy. There is no reason you should not be doing this yourself. Car tires with a little help. Most car owners can handle car tire maintenance temper solve. You can measure the tire to determine if your tire need replacement. Check tire process. Fix a leaking tire, seams, bolt, and even change a flat tire. Repair any holes. So a door cannot smaller thought the wall after one too many times slamming the door. No need to call your handy condenser. You can easily fix a few holes in your drywall by injecting a setting compound or by cutting out the damaged section and replacing them with new drywall for longer ones. Fix a broken refrigerator. Simple fixes for the four most common refrigerator problems. An ice maker broke down, water leaking in onto the floor, a cooling failure, and too much noise. Chances are you can repair the refrigerator yourself, save some money, and avoid the expense and inconvenience of a service apartment. Fix a fluorescent light blast. When you fluorescent light fill in cuts or makes a loud and annoying home. Against blast is the case. You can fix repair a fluorescent light blast yourself. Text to your spray cans. Sooner or later, every spray selling is going to get a water stain and escape. Spray texture in a can or not perfectly match every ceiling texture, but it is usual close and a lot easier than replying a whole ceiling. Before spraying ceiling texture, seal the patch with a stain blocking primer. Cover the floor and furniture and participate your technique you and on scope plywood or can cardboard. Repair your gutters before overflowing water damage your home. If your home does not have gutters, you can install them yourself. Also consider installing gutter guides. Fix, fix windows. Obviously, you cannot glue broken glass back together. But for windows that get stuck, let is rough or have moisture issues, there are dry solutions. Fix all windows, double hung windows glass glazing and skins. You can also stop windows rough and learn how to avoid and remove windows conditioners. If you want to take on a larger text, you can even replace your windows. How to restore your decks after a few years? Your deck is sure to show some wear and tear and make you feel like you have an ugly duck. Don't rush to replace boards that are otherwise in good condition. With a deck return clothing and a few days in the sunshine, your deck will look as good as new. Get the full how to here. Replace door shielders. If you find that door shielders are bends, rollers are broken or rollers are not turned even after lubricating, replacement is the best solution. To keep the project simple, buy new cider that are integral to the old ones. That why replacement is an easy matter of unscrewing the old and screwing on the new. Remove a door tag and cabinet tag and take them shopping with you. Hide a hole with a smoke detector. Short on time and money. Instead of putting a hole in the ceiling, which usually means repairing the whole ceiling. Just cover it with a smoke detector. No more hole and added safety to boot. Check out a more life-saving tip for smoke alarms. Ditch the wood paneling. This is a fun one. Composite wood paneling may have been all the rage in the 60s and 70s, but unless it is still in perfect condition and painting oil, it is probably an easy sort. Proponing of this decorative paneling can take minutes and is seriously safety. Just be ready. You never know what condition the wall is in underneath. Be prepared to do a little plaster repair and of course repaint. Fix plumbing bent boards. Plumbing bent boards can be all plastic and metal, or even two piece metal units. Checks plastic basic for kit and metal bros for broken seam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.